hear you loud and clear, actually. That's
Great.
fantastic. Yeah, and you're obviously in your office. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Well, it was the dining room, but I made it my office. Yeah.
that's good. And we both go to the same barber and have a beer.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got to stick
So
together.
how are you? Where are you from?
I'm in Knoxville, Tennessee right now, originally from the England, but did you get a
Okay.
chance to watch my short little video?
Have I got a chance to watch your show?
My short little video on the Calendly appointment. Did you get to watch that?
No, I didn't. I'm sorry. I overlooked it. I didn't see.
Oh, no worries. The
I
idea of that is to
apologize.
save a bit of time, you can watch that afterwards, it's no problem.
Yes, I definitely will.
Okay,
So how long have you been a Gator?
since the beginning, really, second time in, not the first time round, so two plus years or whatever. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But I want to concentrate on you. The idea is networking, find out what your journey, what you're looking for, and I've got a YouTube channel, so you can binge on that if you fancy afterwards.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So tell us about your journey, your story, what you're looking for, and what I can do to help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, about 2 years ago, well, about 2.5 years ago now, my soon wife, she's my fiance. We're going to be married soon.
Oh,
Her and I
congratulations. Nice.
joined. Thank you. We
Yeah.
joined a another outfit that was presenting themselves at something called a life search that had something to do with real estate. And it was basically everything that Pace has explained or mentioned that is completely in opposition to what he does.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It was a lot of pre-recorded seminars, pre-recorded videos,
Hmm.
some coursework, things like that, and it never went nowhere.
Right.
Now, I will say we neither one of us were able to really fully engage and put forth all the work that it needed,
Hmm.
but the community and the people, the meetup, there was no meetups ever. There was no anything that is affiliated with the Gator method. There was none of that.
Hmm.
It was very discounting. It really
Hmm.
was. There was nothing,
Sounds like a
nothing.
program I did as well. It's probably the same
Yeah,
one. We won't mention it. It's not fair.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but it
So,
does
so
sound like
what I'm
the same
looking
one.
for now, I saw Pace on a, he was, he was in with another community recently over in Las Vegas, and I saw a presentation that he did by live streaming it,
Okay.
and I loved his presentation. It was probably close to an hour, I
Wow.
think, or it might have been over an hour. But I loved everything that he delivered and came with. I love more than anything. I love his integrity
Yes.
about giving to get. You know what I mean? Giving to
Yes, I
get,
do.
and I think that is so imperative. I think that is so essential that every every one of us in the process does the right thing because it eventually makes harmony. It makes all things work,
It
and
does.
it
It's
makes it work for
fantastic.
the better. And
Yes.
everyone has a more sustaining peace in their mind. Everything is good,
Yes.
and that's what I'm so for. I'm just so for this.
Yeah, right, right. Absolutely. I love the way you described that as well.
Yeah,
And he does bang that drum, and it's so good. He succeeded in creating that culture and that leadership and the depth with the numbers. It's phenomenal achievement. It really is. And
yeah.
in reasonably short time periods, it's amazing. So I'm very happy to be part of it too.
Oh,
Um,
I know.
yeah.
So you're in Knoxville, and I'm not too far from you. I'm up here in well, I'm in northern Kentucky, so
Okay.
we're
Yeah,
still
that's right. Not too far away. And I'm
right.
concentrating mainly on large multifamilies. If you gorge on my channel and things, you'll find I've been in the game a long time. I've done started out in the deep end on multifamily, small multifamilies, made a whole host of mistakes and things, wrote a little book called Cautionary Tales from Real Estate Investing. And recently, a couple of months back now, I was in the classroom, 3-day workshop, and a 2-day workshop on large multifamilies, and decided that was the way I was going to go. And recently wrote a couple of books that are coming out next week, Demystifying Commercial Real Estate Investing and Investing in Large Multifamily Solved, 15 chapters each, and restarted
How
my
many chapters?
15 chapters in each one,
15.
190 pages. And I've restarted a YouTube channel. It's so far got 21 videos, educational videos, ranging from 5 to 12 minutes in length on a different topic, with the goal of creating that community, just like PACE teaches. So those who are interested in this niche can join in. And the good news is, like any other niche in real estate, you don't need money. In fact, it's best not to have money. It's best
Yeah,
to network.
that's what everybody is saying, and I don't even experientially know that or fully understand it, but I believe it. I
Yes.
believe it because
Yes.
it seems like
Well,
it
let me
really
help.
aligns with.
Yeah, let me
Huh?
help you raise your belief on that. At one time, I was in a call center for a bank, and it's so interesting. All right, most people don't have any money in the bank, but it kept coming up probably once, maybe twice or 3 times a week. You come across a bank account literally with millions of dollars in it, and you think, what the heck? And it used to puzzle the life out of me. Don't you want to invest that? It's sitting in the bank doing nothing, right? and then and then I learned why. These individuals who've got millions of dollars literally in a current account doing nothing are
Yeah,
scared stiff of putting in the stock market. And why?
yeah,
Because they've done it before and lost the money.
yeah,
So they're busy. These are CEOs, managers, doctors, lawyers, and they haven't got time to even think about where to put that money. And I saw another report that there's probably more money than ever in history waiting to be deployed into real estate. It does.
yeah.
Yeah. And the estimator around $23 trillion is waiting to be deployed.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Can I can I ask what has steered your interest so strong into multi-unit
it's scalable.
properties?
It's scalable for the first thing, right,
Scalable?
that man, which means that it can be properly professionally managed in the highest professional manner. Okay. Because with small multifamilies, you've got danger of them stealing the money from you. Ask me how I know. The second thing is with scalability is maintenance. You can employ a handyman on site to keep up with things. And you're playing with bigger money, which means bigger paydays, but it also means you've got more experienced operators at the highest level, the
Right.
highest attorney and legal counsel in actually managing them. So it's actually safer because you can reach your financial goals in much shorter period of time. It's a very popular way of investing, as a syndication is basically the umbrella term. And
Syndication.
yeah, it's covered in my book.
Okay.
So they'll be coming out on Amazon on Monday. I'm publishing it Monday. So if you would like a copy, I think the
Okay.
first day or two, it's actually free in exchange for a review.
Right.
Yes, because it still counts as a sale, you see. So, and it's free
Yeah.
for the first day or two. So, if you're interested, I would encourage you to do that. It's the only niche actually in real estate where you can attain time freedom.
Time freedom.
All the other niches, you're going to be working hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quick question about the book, because I am interested. I love to read. Is the book at all attainable aside from Amazon?
No.
No, Amazon is the only seller.
The only seller I'm selling on right now, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Is there a reason you asked that question?
Not really. I'm a little abnormal with the masses of people, but I've kind of steered away from Amazon for the last several
Right.
years, and I don't really want to go back.
Oh, I
I
see.
just yeah, it's just me. I don't know. To me, I think Amazon wants to own the world, and
Yeah.
spiritually speaking, I just don't want to. I don't. If I need them,
Yeah.
then I don't want. You know what I mean?
Would
So,
it help
but
if I ordered it for you and drop shipped it?
sure.
My email's there if you want to text me, email me your details. Or if you like, I could do even better. I could send you. No, that wouldn't really work. Yeah,
Yeah,
just send me
you
your
don't have a
details.
PDF?
I do, but I'd rather you had the book, and so it's a sale, and you can give me a review. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I definitely give you a review.
Mm. Yeah, I can
Okay.
do a PDF. Yeah, and then I can send you. I'll do both. How's that? There we go. I can do both. Send you a PDF and the book. If I have your mailing address, I can drop ship it to you.
Well, I just subscribed to your channel, so
Okay, fantastic.
and yeah. So what do you need? You need my email? You
No,
have
no,
that.
I've got your email. What I would need is your address if I'm mailing it to you.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
So
Now you'd have to think about it. You'd have to go on Amazon yourself. You would have to go on Amazon to give a review. So I'll give you the PDF and you can decide what you want to do with regards to a review.
I can I not give a review? There's
You
no
have to
way.
go on that.
Can I give the review on your YouTube?
No,
Because your average.
because the idea of a review is it has to be on Amazon and there has to
Gotcha.
be a sale, you see, and that drives sales. And so
I got you.
you ask for reviews to spin up more sales, so the word can get out about the book, you know? So that's the idea. Yeah,
And demystifying commercial real estate investing.
that's it.
Dem-
I'll send those to you after this call. I got yours, Doug, AND Tricia 78 at Gmail. Yeah,
That's correct.
very good. Excuse me a minute, I'm gonna put
Um,
the fan on. It's getting hot here. I opened the window earlier because we had it really nice and cool outside. It's we're gradually losing summer here. No,
yeah, I know.
where
I know.
are you located, Doug?
Florence, Kentucky,
Okay, oh,
just
not too far away.
over the yeah,
Yeah.
just outside of Cincinnati, not too far into the state.
Okay. Cool.
Um,
Okay.
so what would you suggest to me? I am brand new. I started Saturday and I have been binging the tutorials. I'm almost finished with 0.0. I will be in 1.0 in the next couple hours.
Yeah.
What do you so my thing is I was on the live webinar last night with TC. Were you?
Um, I can't remember which one. I'm on most of the Zooms.
Last night.
No, probably not last night. I was busy. But let me give you a community you want to join with this really
Okay.
good training as well, especially good for gators. It's his name is Ryan Schropp, and there's plenty of good training there, and he'll fund EMD and transactional funding. So if you come across a deal, you can get paid on those. So that's a really good community there.
Is that is that the link you just put in?
Yeah. It's got 2.3 thousand in his community. So he's a very popular leader within the community.
What is his name? Ryan what?
Ryan Schropp, Schrope.
Okay. Ah, young gentleman.
Yeah, young and full of energy, really good stuff. Um,
Okay. What does he do? What
he
is
he
his?
does Gator. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
He's full-time investor.
Okay.
Yeah, he's totally wrapped up with pouring into the community. That's why it's grown so well.
Right.
Yeah. Anyway, I
So
would like to go ahead.
I'm on Amazon right now looking for your book and I'm not seeing it.
Well, you won't. It's going to be published on
Oh,
Monday. Yeah, as I said.
oh, I see.
Yes, this is
So,
pre-launch. Yeah.
gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not available. You won't find it yet, but you'll find my cautionary tales from real estate investing if you look for that. That's a 26 pager. It's
What I was trying to do to see was to see if I was able to give books a review without actually having an account.
no, you can't.
Okay.
And you've actually
Okay.
got to buy a book to give a review as well. So that's why I say if you buy them in the first day, it's free. And it does count as a sale. So
Right, right. I
yeah,
got you.
so that's the review period, you see. So
Okay.
yeah, on Monday, I'm hoping to do it first thing Monday. We'll see. But it's certainly in the afternoon, it should be available in the afternoon. And then I don't know how long Amazon keep it open for free, as it were. So um I would jump in as early as you can, get your free copy, and then give a
Okay.
review. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, I can make a way to have that done, I believe.
yeah. Thank you.
So what else do you do? Are you into PLM, hard money?
I
What else do
can
you do?
do. I'm really concentrating on the large multifamily, but I do have legal um acts. It's called I found a way last week. It's called Legal Shield. A way of it's just a monthly amount each month. So you have like legal counsel available as many times as you like for just a flat monthly fee. So I'm getting the word out on that, whenever I can. So you ask, so that's what else I'm promoting right now as well, because all real estate investors need attorneys from time to time.
Yeah,
You either need
right,
to sue or you're going to be sued. It's
right.
inevitable, if you take it seriously. So
Yeah.
I wish I'd known about this 20 years ago. I would have still had all my properties. I didn't take legal action when I should have done because I didn't have the money at the time. It's extremely expensive to get
I
an attorney on
imagine.
retainer,
Yeah.
especially the difficult cases. So when I came across Legal Shield, I thought, oh, I've got to tell real estate investors about that. So for less than a date night cost of a date night for a whole month, and you can call them as many times as you like. Not just about real estate, but you can do if you got a speeding ticket, for example, or right will, or any
Or
time when you want any legal stuff done, they can review contracts or agreements. They can look over lease agreements, things like that.
what is the theme name of this exactly? What did you
The
call
company is Legal Shield. They've been around for 52 years.
it? Okay, Legal Shields.
Shield
Shield, I'm sorry.
in the singular, yes.
Yeah.
I could send you a video on it if you wanted more information.
Yeah. Well, if I had that right name, I'll be able to look and find. But yeah, I agree with
But
that. And you know what else that also kind of um, promotes me to ask you, what do you do for your accountant? You got a good accountant? How did you find your good accountant?
oh, by going to lots of training events, they recommend them every now and again. And you end up with one. So that's a, yeah, you just
Oh,
find your
through Pace's training?
no, through other courses I've been to in the past. So
Oh, I
you'll
see.
stumble across them, and they're plentiful, but you will outgrow your CPA as well and your accountant. And so it's a progression thing. So
Okay.
yeah. And same with tax as well. All those things you stumble across, and I'd just follow pace if I were you. I mean, although he's very advanced, so there's probably too costly for you, right? So you're gonna grow into it. You're gonna progress, like as you
Yeah.
go through your career. So it's hard
Yeah.
to give advice out because people are at different stages.
Yeah.
No,
I know.
yes,
And I'm so eager. I know. I know.
yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Um, yeah, let me. Oh, one thing I didn't mention with the legal shield is there is an opportunity to turn on an income stream as well by referrals. And um, if you like, I can start sending a few videos. You can see what that's all about. It does pay daily as well. So it might be a good way of getting the cash flow in between deals and things. That's
Okay.
what attracted me. I thought, well, I need an attorney, and then I found out that you could turn on money as well. I thought, oh God, this is no brainer.
Yeah.
it's, it's in fact it's pretty exciting because it, whenever I need you've just got an app on the phone. I'll just show you. It's just an app on the phone. I don't know whether you can see it.
It keeps fading out. Your
Yeah, no, it's
background's taking
awful.
over.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let me switch the background off. I can switch the background off. None. And then you should be able to see that purple thing, the shield. I click on
The
that.
next to the Facebook,
Yeah, I
oh,
click on that, and it comes up,
Legal Shield.
and then is a purple button. I just press that, and I'm talking to an attorney. So
Oh,
it's literally
wow.
an attorney in your back pocket whenever you need them. And then you click
Right.
on another button to upload documents. And
Wow.
it starts as an individual, $29.95. And you can't spend more than $200. I think the business is 169. So I'll send you a bit of info, and you can check it out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's very exciting because you will need legal service. And when there's not worried about the cost, the retainer, I mean, you're more likely to take legal action, even when it's small, and you can recover that money.
Yeah. Right.
Because there's lots of times I didn't take legal action because it was a tenant, right? And you go to court to kick them out, and it's $1,000, and it costs more than that in legal fees.
I know. Right.
So, but
Yeah.
with this, it doesn't. So it's really very clever, very clever.
Yeah.
It gives you
So
legal access. Yeah.
these attorneys and the resources that are behind the app, are they just nationwide everywhere?
Nationwide, the company
Okay.
has been there 52 years, and
Yeah.
the attorneys have had to been practicing for 20 years for Legal Shield to use them. So they're
Right.
very experienced attorneys as well. So it's phenomenal.
It
So
sounds like it. I'll definitely check that out.
yeah.
And you said it only starts at $30 a month, so
Yeah, and that's right. As an individual, you can get a will. You can get value from it right away. You can get a will written. You can do
Yeah.
trusts when you get
See,
properties, and
that's one thing I'm a little up on right already. We got our trust, we got our LLC already, we got our EIN number, we got all that.
well,
The
attorneys can
trust
set
is
all those up
protected.
again. I mean, wherever
Yeah,
you need an attorney, you just press
yeah,
this button. Unbelievable.
yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Uh,
Okay.
Yeah, so any deal you do in future, if you did join, which I'm sure you will, it's no brainer. Well, I sort of thought, oh God, I mean, with $30 and you spend thousands on an attorney, they're
I know.
$750 an hour. Oh, and if you go
Yeah.
to trial, they give you 100 hours of trial is in your membership. 100 hours.
Wow.
So when if you have a dispute, say you bought something and that they won't give you a refund or whatever, they write a letter and they say, "Let's go to court." It's 100. We've got 100 hours. It frightens them off, and they don't even go to court. They get paid, right? Paid right away. This one woman, she rented out a car. She flew off and she got a letter from them saying you owe us $1,000 for damage to the car. She hadn't damaged the car at all. So she just presses it, gets the attorney, he writes a letter, and then she hears from them and says, "Oh, we made a business decision to close that case," they said.
Oh, wow.
Just for $1,000, right? I mean,
Yeah.
awesome. Awesome.
Yeah. Quick and easy. Not all
Yeah.
these dates and
Right.
appearances and all that.
Yeah, yeah, a lot less stress. So it's
Yeah.
like a very
Much
essential
less.
part, yeah, in your business life.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All
Well, look,
right.
I have to go now, Doug, but good connecting with you. Really good.
You too. I got your number, so can I just make on my own
Mhm.
desire at different time? Could I reach out
Yeah,
to you for?
absolutely. Yeah, just book a
Okay.
call whenever you like, calendly.com/Graham Norris. Because I
Thank you,
do
Graham.
block time. I do block time, you see. So
Yes.
yeah. So
All right, man. Thank you so much for your time today.
yeah, all right. I'll send you an email with all that we've talked about then. Because I'll send you the two PDFs as well if you want. It's show you
You.
whether you want to buy them. Well, you get them for free if you do it on the first day. But
Okay.
and then the link about the legal shield as well. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, man. It was great to meet you. Nice
And
to
you,
meet you.
Doug. All right. Bye bye for
All
now.
right. Bye-bye.